we just recap a little bit on, because we've spoken around the topic a little bit, I guess, the future of process automation. I think what we're both agreeing is that it's moving less from the pure prescriptive side, although that still has its place, and more into knowledge-based and agile business process, which will still need orchestration that sits around there. And the fact that with agents coming into play, they're able to do quite a lot of the classification and advisory work now. And in the future, yes, they might actually be able to run entire parts of a business process, right? And we work towards that. And that's quite interesting. So now let's say, what does that, if we're technologists, right? So what does that mean from a technology front? How is that landscape going to change from an implementation perspective? And I think just to make it even slightly possible to answer that question, forget integrating with line of business systems for now. Let's just think purely about orchestrating process and getting work done. Because today we go into really cool tools like Nintex Automation Cloud, K2, Retool, and we build UIs, we build process flows. How's that going to evolve like now? And then what do you think in the future?
Yeah,
Open
definitely.
up your crystal ball, G.
Well, my crystal ball. So I'm going to, this really difficult question to answer, because I think in many ways we've been living in the low code, no code tooling. I'm not going to call it the bubble, but we've been living in that world for quite a while where, the technologies we've been doing are like, hey, you want a form? That's cool. Just drag and drop and you're there. And we're also, that's great with kind of your Nintexes, your K2s, and then you've got your more, one level below that or above that, depending on how you see the triangle of, technology that you deploy in your organization. Then you've got Retool, which is a development tool, but a rapid application development tool that allows you to build applications really quickly, but gives you all the power that as a developer and I love opening up Visual Studio and coding things, it gives you all that power to do it, but a lot quicker and without having to, write a significant amount of code. So you've got kind of no code, low code. Then you've got like rapid development application frameworks like Retool. And then you have this interesting area with Microsoft where you've got the co-pilots, which allow you to do some very simple things in it to achieve. And then if you want to do more complex stuff, you have to back it onto this world of agentic development.